deserve a break. A face mask, relaxing slime, and a soft squishy? Learn how to make miniature stress relievers for Barbies in our new video. Jessica is playing a game on her phone and doesn't care about her friend at all. Stephanie comes up with a way to keep her dolls entertained. She gives them a miniature phone with a stress-relieving case. Cut the excess off a small toy phone. Make a case from light clay. Cut little cubes from makeup sponges and glue them to the mini case. Stephanie gives the phone with a soft case to her Barbie doll. Wow! It's so satisfying to touch! Even Barbie's friend likes this accessory. The soft case is great for plastic doll fingers. Jessica notices Barbie's stylish phone case. She wants a stress reliever for her doll too. Then Stephanie remembers that she has a magical pink Barbie diary. Cut a mini notebook cover out of a textured pink foam sheet. Make pages from a white foam sheet. Glue them together into a block. Cut a rectangular hole inside. Attach the cover. Glue foil to the hole. Prick the block to attach a clasp. Thread a bead onto thin wire. Twist the end and cut off the excess. Hot glue the clasp into the hole. Make a cut in the cover to fasten the clasp. Label the diary. For slime, color white glue with pearly acrylic paint. Add borax and put it into the notebook. Jessica gets the diary. Come on, Barbie, take a look inside. Slime is hidden in the notebook pages. It's a great stress reliever for dolls and their owners. The girls are tired of doing their homework. It's so boring. We would rather play with our dolls. Stephanie is complaining about school to her friend. I have so much work. Meanwhile, Barbie wants to cheer up her owner and takes out a small relaxing donut. Cut a donut out of memory foam. Make a hole in the center. Color it with rubber paint. Add bright glaze and sprinkle it with some glitter. The girls notice the gift from the dolls. What a cute donut! This tiny squishy is perfect for relaxing your fingertips. Jessica also finds a sweet present. It's a miniature cake with a surprise inside. How adorable! Cut a plastic cap with a heated utility knife. Squeeze out some hot glue on foil. Press on the cap. Cut the glue to fit the size. And cover the cap with the mini lid. Use hot glue to make cupcake icing on the lid. Paint it pink. Color the cap like a cupcake. Attach beads and glitter to the top. Mix white glue with acrylic paint. Put in glitter. Add borax and mix slime. Put it into the cap. The girls are examining the mini cupcake. It turns out that there is glittering slime in it. Now that's a surprise. It's a double stress reliever. But we aren't greedy and give the slime and the squishy back to our dolls. They should have some fun too. The girls decide to arrange a spa day for their dolls. Jessica wraps her doll in a cozy, fluffy robe. Cut a strip off a soft towel. Cut it in half. Hot glue each strip into a roll. These are sleeves. Fold up the edges to make cuffs. Put the doll onto the towel. Mark armholes. Cut them out. Stick in the sleeves. Cut the edges and hot glue them inside. Fold up and hot glue the edge of the towel. Attach sequins to the collar. Decorate the pattern with sequins and beads. Wrap rickrack ribbon around the robe as a belt. Barbie looks beautiful in any outfit, even a bathrobe. Now she can relax in peace and comfort. Barbie needs slippers to complete her cozy look. Samantha made soft bunny slippers for her. Cut 2 slippers out of memory foam. Coat them with rubber paints. Cut long bunny ears out of felt. Hot glue them to the tip and bend them downwards. Paint a bunny face with a toothpick. These slippers are the fluffy dream of every fashionista. They are fun and comfy. Put the slippers onto Barbie's tired feet. The bunnies create warm and cozy vibes. Now the dolls have a new topic to discuss. It's Barbie's outfit. Jessica decides to add a soft rug. Cut a circle out of a plastic grid following a paper template. Wrap yarn around a fork. Tie it in the middle. Take it off the fork. Cut the yarn to get a pom-pom. Make a lot of pom-poms of different colors and hot glue them to the grid. This fuzzy rug will look great in any room. You just want to sink your tired feet into these cute pom-poms. And Samantha's doll sits on the rug in the lotus pose. She can meditate a little. Now that's real relaxation. Jessica's Barbie follows her friend. This rug turned our room into a yoga studio. We are missing one detail. We need aromatherapy candles. Take the wick out of a candle. Cut off a piece of foil. Cover one side of it with light clay. Roll it so that the foil is on the inside and cover one end with the clay. Pour a melted scented candle into the tube. Put in the wick and fill it up. Shape light clay into a round container for a mini tea light. Pour in melted aroma wax and stick a wick into it. Take the candles out of the molds when the wax hardens. Fill the metallic tea light container with hot glue. Attach 3 bead caps. Add some sand as decoration. Stick the mini candles into the coasters. Add seashells and beads. Samantha places the candles into our soft oasis of beauty and harmony. Now we can really relax. Breathe deeper, Barbies, and breathe in the scent of the candles. It will keep your spirits up. A friend comes to visit our Barbies. What's she got? It's a statement handbag with stress-relieving sequins. Cut handbag pieces from a foam sheet. Cut the sides from double-sided sequin fabric. Hot glue a purse together. Cut off the excess. Add a foam paper handle. Attach the sequin fabric to the handbag. Cover the bottom. The girls are examining the handbag. What a handy accessory! You can calm your nerves down as you go. It's perfect! And Jessica came up with a new stress reliever for her doll. It's a face mask with a slime effect. Add acrylic paint to white glue. Put in glitter and add borax. Mix slime. Coat a little rectangular box using acrylic paint. Add rhinestones and a glittering foam paper heart to the lid. Put in the slime. Jessica plays with the slime on her own, and then she gives it to Barbie. We stretch out the face mask and apply it onto the Barbie's face. What a fun face treatment! So this is the key to perfect Barbie skin. A slime mask that stretches out all her wrinkles. Barbie has a headache. It's the perfect time for a massage. And a doll scalp massager will do the trick. Cut a few strips out of a plastic bottle. Bend the ends at an angle and curl the strips using scissors. Hot glue the bent ends together. Shape a scalp massager. Wrap a wire around it. Cover it with acrylic paint. Shape sharp ends and paint the plastic strips silver. Hot glue a decoration. The friend gives Barbie a massage with her new tool. It's so satisfying! Barbie feels rested and refreshed right away. The girls arranged such a nice spa day for their dolls. Did you like our doll stress relievers? Then write in the comments which one you will make for your doll. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new doll ideas on Troom Troom.